Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? It's not a fantasy anymore, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to show you 3 incredible ways you can use AI to build real, sustainable income streams, even if you're a complete beginner. Forget everything you thought you knew about side hustles, because this is a game changer. First up, let's talk about AI-powered content creation. You don't need to be a professional writer or a graphic design genius. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney can help you create amazing blog posts, social media content, and even entire ebooks in a fraction of the time it would normally take. You can offer these services on freelance platforms like Upwork, or you can build your own content-based business. Imagine creating stunning children's books with AI-generated illustrations and stories, then selling them on Amazon KDP. The possibilities are truly endless, and you're only limited by your imagination. Next, let's dive into the world of AI-driven affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. So, where does AI fit in? Well, AI tools can analyze market trends, identify profitable niches, and even write high-converting ad copy and product reviews for you. You can use AI to build a niche website that automatically updates with fresh content, attracting organic traffic and generating passive income around the clock. It's like having a super smart marketing team working for you 24/7. Finally, and this one is super exciting, you can create and sell your own AI-powered digital products. Think about custom GPTs, specialized AI assistants, or prompt packs for artists and writers. For example, you could create a set of prompts specifically designed to help real estate agents write amazing property listings. Once you create these products, you can sell them over and over again on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It's the ultimate create once, sell forever business model. The AI revolution is here, and it's creating opportunities for financial freedom that we've never seen before. It's not about letting AI replace you. It's about using it as a powerful tool to amplify your own skills and creativity. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. So, which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building wealth in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.